network channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the airline and the RabbitMQ server on Ubuntu 18.04. I'm using Ubuntu 18.40. You can install the in Debian and Linux Mint also, and the version which is this one is the latest version I'm installing. So for that one, this is my terminal which I've already opened. So let's start with first sudo apt-get update by typing, and then once this finish updating, we'll move to the second command. Okay, great. After updating, so type this command and go ahead with the upgrade. Okay, so you can find all those things command below to my video description box. Here are the method is there. Actually first method, that means the second method, you can use either this one or this one, anyone you can use for this installation. So I'm using this one method. Okay, and the above one is having the latest version. You can go ahead and install. Just use the sudo here before that one. So I'm using this normal user account. Okay, don't have any here is the just typing. Okay, so this one. Okay, copy that one. I'm using this sudo here. Okay, now updating this one. Let's update it. Then I will install the airline here. So airline, copy that one. Okay, this one is done. After that, after installation, just I will type the airline here. So we will see the output how it will come. Installing. Type the URL to verify. So now the installation is completed, and you can see this one is about the output. Okay, to come about, we need to press Ctrl G 2 times. So that means Ctrl C 2 times you need to press. It will be come out from this command prompt. So this is actually a small script right there for that one. Hello. So let's write that script about that one. So I will copy all those things from here to here. Okay, and then copying, and here I'm just adding the nano here, and then hello.url is URL. Okay, and then this one here I'm posting Ctrl X. Okay, now we'll type AR1. So see how. So you can see if I type here hello or hello world, it will be come out with that one. So it will be export will be come here, but I don't know exactly how it's work. If you know, you can do that on experiment. So let's move on to the Rabbit installation. Is there, this is one method is there, and this is the second method is there for installing RabbitMQ. So you can use any one, that one here and here that one. So I'm using the second one here. So at get for here title I will use that one. Okay, or else you can use anyone here. So I'll be using the last one here. Okay, to add in my source list. Okay, so directly just I'm adding into the source list. Before that one, I need to add the sudo here. Okay, sudo and enter. So that's have been added. Now the second command is from these three you can use any one here to add that one, and using this second one here, copying then pasting here. So you can forget to add the sudo here. Okay, just type sudo and enter. So in this way connected, and it will be downloaded. Okay, if I type ls, so it will be show my file will be downloaded here. This is also the script. Somewhere it's short, we download it. Okay, So now we'll update that one and then move it, and then the second one is the sudo install. Either you can use this one or this one to install RabbitMQ server. Okay, so just type and enter that one. So wait for it showing error. I got it. So do is I got this error. Okay, if you got all this dependent package error means just go to this website and select your Ubuntu version here. Okay, this link you can find below to my video also. Select here Debian or Ubuntu, whichever. Okay, and then you need to select that this one, the latest version I've selected, and I've clicked on downloads. Once I click, I open with software default, which I've already clicked. So here is my software which is open, so I need to just click on install now, so that error may be gone. So we'll wait that one. Installing inline OTP here in the software center. So let's say after installation how will look. Version is 22.3. And this one also installed, so that one completed. It is showing install now, but it's already installed. And I click on go back now, it's showing like remove is there. Okay, so now that is also installed, everything is installed now. Okay, so refresh this one, so it is installed. Okay, fine. Now we'll see again. Okay, this one, that one, this one I have typed it. Instead of using this one, I have typed it this one. So I will see it how it's installing the, by forcefully I'm installing that one. Creating the user, adding the group also, it has been done. So now I'm going to open this configuration file. So just remove the unlimited here, that's unlimited, then controllers press yes, and then I need to start. Either you can use this one or this one to enable this service. Okay, after enabling you need to just type the start service. Okay, so for that one, okay, just typing this one here. So it started. So let's say the status of that one, my RabbitMQ. So it's active, running. Okay, as you can see, the logs are this is the location where the logs are located, stored, and started, activated, completed. So it's working till now fine. So this is enable is the service you can use automatic startup. Now I'm installing Rabbit management console. For that one we need to enable the first plugin is there. Okay, so just type and enter here. So after that again we need to give the permission to that where lib RabbitMQ permission. So this has been done. See, the plugins has been enabled without this all the thing. Now we need to create a user here. By default RabbitMQ create a username with a guest and the password is guest. Okay, so for to create a new user, you need to give the sudo and this one command till admin. Instead of admin you can give any name here. Okay, so like here I have created here, you can see. So in this way I'm just using this one, and you need to give a strong password here. So I'm giving just a weak password here for a testing purpose. So I'm just copying this command and here pasting here. So here in this way created, and now we need to give a here setting user tag. Okay, so admin created, the password you should remember. Okay, and this is the permissions which I am giving for that to the admin user name. Okay, instead of admin you can give any name here on that one. Okay, so setting permission for the user in the host, it's admin set. So this is about this same is there. Setting permission for the pin is there, you can give the strong password, so on. Now we'll open the ports here. Now you can see the ports are, we need to see this is the 156 ports is listening and it's activated. And then if I click on full screen, you will able to read all those things. Okay, now after that I will just add this to port, allow any port to, that means it will be allow TCP to any port with this IP. Okay, so now it's added. Now we'll again see how it's looking. So this is the same method. Now I will going to the IP address. I need to check if config, we need to type. So sorry, IP config type, sorry, if config dot instead of if config you can type IPA, and just see this one is my link and this is my system IP is there. So just copy the system name and you can type host name here, DevOps is there, and we need to go to the browser here. In my system IP here and semicolon, we need to give the port number here. Okay, just copy and give here, press and enter. So you can see the login information came, and here I need to give admin and the password which we have given during the setup. Okay, you can click save, never, okay, whatever. So in this way you can see the version is there and inline version is there 3.6.15, that is RabbitMQ available, and refresh is there every 5 seconds, so you can log out. So you can see the file description, so it's all those things, notes on repeated connections, total connections, channels, admin account is there. If you forget, you can reset it there. A guest is there which you can log in with, the guest also is there. So instead of host name also you can try with the IP address also instead of. So if you have any problem you can comments below to my video, and you can also email me to itcloudnet@gmail.com. So in the next video I'm going to show you about this the configuration files, all those things, how you can add all those things, what are the use of this purpose. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to CloudNet channel, share my video and channel to your friends and relatives.